political parties, African Democratic Congress, we are just doing peaceful demonstration to say we can't have one party in our country. It's a democratic country, and we're begging people who are in government, don't kill our democracy. We need it for the future of our children. Nigerians must have a choice to choose who leads them, and that is critical for our future. Thank you.
To granting strength, sound health, peace, and many more years of impactful service to Nigeria and humanity. Happy birthday, distinguished Senator David Mark, soldier, statesman, father, patriot, and one of Nigeria's enduring pillars of unity. Enjoy your day surrounded by those who love you the most.
Excellency, our chairman, former Senate President, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am told that our crowd is waiting for us and ready. So I'm going to make a very, very brief remarks. Mr. Chairman, let me congratulate you on attaining this ripe age. You and I are in the same age bracket. I believe if Nigeria was being governed well, we have no business being in politics at this age. But unfortunately, our country has suffered serious bad governance over the years. And we felt we must step in to restore order, good governance, and constitutionality. Therefore, Your Excellency, Mr. Chairman, I want to use this opportunity to congratulate you on attaining this age and to urge you to continue playing the role you are playing until democracy, unity, and prosperity is restored in our country. Let me wish you many, many more happy returns of the day. Congratulations.
Former Vice President, sir. Okay, sir. So what are your wishes today, sir? For the nation. Yes, the people are here too. For the nation as well. You should have a wish for Nigeria.
Yes,
situation, security,
that we
political, economic. What do you have to say, sir?
We will do things differently. And I want the nation to watch. We'll do things very differently.
What are your wishes and prayers on the occasion of Senator's 70th?
I wish my husband long life. I wish him success. I wish him all the desires of his life, the desires of his heart. I wish that whatever desires he has will be attained. Wish him long life in good health, of sound mind and body. And may his children and grandchildren, great-grandchildren surround his table in his old age, all in good health of mind and body.
Okay, speaking of his wishes is to take ADC to the next level. And with the recent crisis and all, do you believe in his leadership ability to take ADC to another level?
I believe in his leadership 100%, and if there is anything above 100%, that's what I wish. That's what I believe in. Thank you.
This is a celebrant. Let me just give a vote of thanks and we'll bring it to a close. Your Excellency, the
I'll give him. I want that call. But I think the greatest victory for us today is that Olawale joined my church on weekly days to stay with us. Like I said in the church, we will not keep quiet in the place of ceremony. full justice. And all of us here are in this fight together. So that you are
the Lord be with you. Hello, my daughter, the son.
They know say they don't feel coming. They don't feel planning. They don't feel open and for you. Happy birthday to you, Daddy.
Push it for birthday.
It's better than Atiku. Atiku, come on. No one is better than Atiku.
Amani, nobody get you.